Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox Nova NHT 1059 digital waterproof trimmer. 200-minute runtime with 40 length settings. It's a gray color Nova digital waterproof trimmer. So we are going to open this box. So inside this you can see, so this is a USB cable. So the one of the standard features of the Nova NHT 1059 is it has a long battery life, so which can allow for extended use without needing to research. So this makes a great option for those who need a reliable trimmer for regular uses. And in addition to its long battery life, the Nova trimmer also offer a wide range of length settings. So it has 40 length settings. So this product will cost nearly 1000 rupees. I'll put all the information link in my video description. You can go through it. So that's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching.